Sanbidani, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Before I get to the story of today, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for the love and support. You guys have been good to me. And another thing, this coming festive season, please, guys, practice kindness. We have cousins, sisters, brothers who are currently unemployed and they're going through a lot. Before you ask someone what do they bring in the table, you need to think. People are going through a lot. People are depressed. So let's just practice kindness this festive season and be safe, guys. Don't you go around, going anywhere you don't know what you're doing, going with people that you don't know. So anyway, guys, let me get to the story of Thando, guys. Thando Dlamuka. So Thando posted these beautiful videos on her TikTok account and people were shocked. Like people were like, it is that you, Thando? Did you dump Siyacela? Did you get a job? People were really surprised to see Thando looking like this. You know what I've noticed? The love of your cousin she's receiving right now is the love Thando used to receive. Like South Africa will do anything for Thando. The same thing that they are doing to Vuyokazi, they used to do to Thando. The problem with Thando, obviously, she couldn't leave her man. I mean, uyamthanda uSiyacela, uyazifela ngosiyacela, that's her first boyfriend. To some people, it really makes sense, but others, they don't care whether you're my first boyfriend, you're my first girlfriend. If I'm not treated okay, they will leave. So right now the love is transferred to Vuyokazi. Yeah, guys, I Thando, she really looks so beautiful and people were advising her to go back to school. Some were saying that even if you can do nursing or teaching, and others were like, you look like a Coco's Curtain. When they tell you that to look at Coco's Curtain, just know that I guess oh yeah, yay, you are giving. Just know that you are in your best era. So yeah, guys, Thando, she's back as you can see, and people wonder where did you get money? What is going on? But as long as she's happy, guys, we just want to see her being happy in that marriage. Even if she doesn't want to live Siyacela, that is up to her. We cannot force someone to leave a relationship. It is up to them at the end of the day. I mean, all of us, we are not forced to date people, or we are not forced to leave our marriage. We are staying, we are busy begging, so we cannot judge her. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Tell me what do you think about Thando, guys, and what do you think about Vuyokazi replacing with Thando? Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. Bye.